Hi everybody, welcome to Cookie Island. Today we're going to build a house for a puppy.
And doggy. That puppy
And
is
this
looking.
is Tyson and Cutter, the puppy. And we are going to build them a nice little home here on Cookie Cutter Island.
Why?
We have secured for them a plot of land and we are ready to start building. First, we will get the house.
The house.
So we will press B for build, go into our wallet, and because we have a bunch of houses in our wallet.
What?
And let's see here.
That house.
I think this house looks good, right?
That's the little one.
Let's see, can they even get in? Yes. I think this one will work for them. Okay. So now what we'll do is we'll rotate it so it faces the donut shop, and then we'll scale it up.
That's big.
Move it up.
And that's the new house.
Back down.
That's the new house, looks like.
Yes, it is.
And that's the new house the crane built.
Okay. Now you want to decorate it?
Yes. Right. First, we're putting a pot of garbage. A garbage bin. I always do that all the time. Okay, let's put some cones over here. Daddy, what kind of stuff you want? Want some?
I don't know. You gotta ask the doggies.
Okay.
So say hi to the doggies. What kind of stuff would you like inside your home? Just put stuff in their home that they would like. I think they want a bed, right?
Oh, okay. Go to the. I read the house mode. This house mode. This house. And literally, let's put the puppy one. Some boxes.
Amazon boxes.
Oh yes.
These are so they can get deliveries.
Yeah.
Okay, oh yeah, there's some moving boxes that they need to empty themselves too, right?
No, that's the puppy. The grown up ordered the puppy some dog food.
Okay.
Also, I put some like this inside of there. I want to plant. Okay, that's the garbage mode. Oh, maybe. Okay, here's how. Got some of them. Now you can rotate this around.
Sure.
Oh, rotate that around. I like it's going that way.
Yep.
Not like that. Like that. And I want a bunk bed. But a little puppy can sleep with each other. Yes, that's it. Okay, that's it.
Okay.
I start moving in the home. I don't need a TV. Oh, maybe do like this. Maybe do like this. Glowing. Also, I'm gonna put in an umbrella. Umbrella. An umbrella to be nice and safe. I always put these in all the houses because to be safe. Okay, that's. I like it. I like it. Okay. In a campfire or what is this? What is this? Daddy, can I rotate this around? Okay, I need to put some Daddy, I need something. I need something and something to like. Daddy. Daddy. Dada. Can you put flour on there? You know, I don't. What's this on? Maybe they want a car. And I put in a car. Get it. Ta-da, ta-da, ta-da.
All done?
One more thing left. A car.
Not.
The outside of the car. A tree car, like our car. I'll put some. Can I delete the card over there? Oh. Can I rotate her around and then make make her lay down. I wanted to face this way. I want to. No, you need to go. There's 3 cars. Daddy, you know where the rotate that? I need to go over there. No, I want to put 3 cars because Mommy bought 3 cars. I'm going to this one. We take that one. We take that one. Take that one.
Alright, hold on.
Okay. Oh, that looks safe.
Alright, we are back. And we are done.
Also, you wanna see my cookie stairs?
So we are ready to show you the new house for Tyson and Carter the pup. Let's see here.
We got a car.
They drove here, so they have some ample parking. This is their home. Go around. They've got a beautiful view of the beach.
Also, you wanna see something? I created the little beach.
See, they're still kind of moving in. They got the box here.
Yeah.
They're still moving in. Let's see. Hey, how's it going in here?
Good.
Okay, so what we got here? We got some flowers. We got bunk beds. You can see Cutter's getting ready for bed up here.
Oh, it's not nighttime yet.
And then they got a sink so they can drink some water.
No.
And they got an umbrella so they can feel safe and secure. And they got some plants.
Also, they can take the umbrella to the beach.
Well, thank you all for joining us today. And
also,
come by our island at Cookie Cutter Island.
Also, I need to show you something. I need to show you something real quick. Also, we have a little cookie beach over here.
Oh yeah, they're a stone's throw away from Cookie Beach.
And also, I put a cookie stand. You know where the cookie stand is?
All right, thank you.
No, I need to show them the cookie.